You gonna scratch it pretty good. Okay, so this is a couple slots. On it. Fun to shoot yours. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Battery.
We got a 2032 and a 1623.
Almost everything manufactured in-house. Yeah, it's in the sun, so hot. Shot a lot also.
Okay, so tell me about this.
So if you
ever did like 1911s before, the older, you
don't like it,
that's pretty standard.
Okay.
still run them there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all that is.
Okay.
Yeah, you couldn't pull the trigger unless your hand is.
I got you.
Okay.
Okay.
That's been around since like World War II. Like it was old guns from World War I.
Yeah, that's what they had on.
Yep,
Oh, very cool.
Yep. So that's why it's the 2011.
Yeah.
You know, like 1911, all that old stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, now 9mm, 2000s, it's the 2011.
Yeah, the grip is really cool.
I'll always, I mean,
People
whatever
liking
people
that
want to do,
dragon
hey,
scale.
Yeah.
I always try to help out, and I'm used to bigger
Megan.
calibers, like 338, 50s.
Perfect. Our New
where
Year's
it's
is just
super
right here.
important.
Yeah.
You know, you're gonna smash your fingers, it's probably gonna hurt, and this if it comes down, but it's just not, especially metal mags. You have a metal mag blow out in your hands there, it just, like polymer, it's just gonna scratch you pretty good. Okay, so this is.
Press the button, it goes night vision. To zoom in and zoom out is just this
That red dot.
Everything is the same. There's a lash on it. It'll run Glock 17 or 19 mags.
When you're ready.
So we figured everybody has those. That's what we'll do with it. Just charge it when you're ready.
This left target.
There, you can. It's good, not.
I really do like it.
It doesn't move in her hand at all.
Yeah.
It stays right where it's like right in that same spot. Awesome.
Mag.
Oh, by the way, it's the same mag we already have.
Yeah.
Yep, just release your bolt. You're good. Safety's off already.
All right, ready?
A lot of recoil there,
I
huh?
had to do that again. That is awesome.
So retail on that gun is $679. Yep, just the black button up there. Up,
Okay.
yep, just push that in.
Awesome.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
What?
I'm gonna go over here and you're gonna hand.
Okay.
Underneath.
Okay. Okay. That's dope. Clear.
Awesome.
You ready?
Very cool. And you said it was retail what?
$679. That's full billet. We don't do any forgings. The only thing we don't make is the furniture. Everything else we do in-house.
Yeah. Huh. That's on the list. For sure. I love that.